Today we'll talk about how can you clear cache on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on library down here, just click on it. So when you click on library, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. You click here on cache management here. You click here on clear cache. Then here automatically it's going to clear with you on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.